Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with 284,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a white exterior with a red interior. The truck runs on gasoline and features a 4.8 LLS swap that runs and drives 100%, paired with a rebuilt 4L60E transmission and a 2800 stall converter. It is equipped with a 216/220 truck cam, intake, headers, and a 3-inch exhaust with a Borla muffler, resonator, and dual 4-inch tips. Brakes, suspension, and tires have approximately 15,000 miles, and the wide 5 wheels were sourced from a newer model truck. All major components were rebuilt prior to the swap. Everything works as it should, including heat, AC, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat, 4x4, cruise control, and all factory gauges.
Number 2.
1999 Dodge D150, price $8,750, with 166,000 miles and an automatic transmission.
It features a strong-running 318 V8 gasoline engine with full power and 4x4 capability.
The truck has a black exterior with a tan interior and has recently received new paint, giving it a sharp and clean appearance. Recent maintenance and upgrades include new tires and wheels, a new headliner, a full tune-up, oil change, new starter, heater core, battery, wires, spark plugs, distributor cap and button, tie rods, and brakes. The truck runs strong, has no rust on the frame or body, and has passed a new inspection. It is equipped with a tonneau cover, hitch, and dual exhaust that sounds great. The title is clean, making this a solid and reliable pickup ready to drive.
Number 3.
1994 Ford F150, price $8,999. It has 165,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a bed liner, alloy wheels, and a tow package, making it practical for both work and daily use. It is well equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, and a CD player for added convenience. Exterior details include body side moldings and a chrome bumper, while the interior offers power lumbar support for improved driving comfort. Additional features include tinted glass, air conditioning, cruise control, electronic fuel injection, anti-lock brakes, dual exhaust, power brakes, and power steering, all contributing to a smooth, comfortable, and dependable driving experience.
Number 4.
1982 Ford F250, price $8,000, powered by a 351 V8 gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission, with 79,000 miles on the odometer. It features an 8-lug configuration and an 8-foot-long bed, making it a strong and practical truck for both work and cruising. The truck wears a red exterior and has a clean and presentable interior for its age. It runs perfectly and starts right up without hesitation. Recent work includes a new battery, a new fuel tank, new tires, and new brake lines, ensuring dependable performance. It is also equipped with a Bluetooth radio and new speakers for added driving comfort. Like most trucks of this era, it does show some age-related wear, including surface rust on the undercarriage along with a few dents and dings.
Number 5.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000. It has 79,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline 454 cu and big block engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It features a red exterior and a clean interior overall, with only a hole in the driver's seat. The truck does have typical Chevy rust, including the rocker panels and cab corners. Recent maintenance includes new front brakes and calipers, gas tank, fuel pump and lines, rear leaf springs, front shocks, wheel bearings, spark plugs, wires, and a new battery. The tires are about 6 months old and in good condition. It has had a recent oil change, most of the frame has been painted, and a new driver's side door is included. Cooling upgrades include a new radiator, fan clutch, and dual electric fans. A new AC compressor is installed, but the condenser is missing, and the temperature gauge is not working.
Number 6.
1993 Ford F150, price $4,500. This pickup is a solid, honest truck that's exactly what it should be. With 218,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck stands out with its red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a classic, old-school Ford look. It starts easily, runs strong, and drives great, performing reliably for its age. The underside is impressively clean with a solid frame, showing it's not a rusted-out truck. Equipped with a hard-to-find long bed and a simple, dependable 2WD setup, it's cheaper to own and easy to maintain. Whether used as a work truck, shop truck, or a daily beater, this F-150 still gets the job done and remains a great example of a tough, old-school Ford built to last.
Number 7.
1981 Ford F100, price $3,500, with 110,000 miles and a classic, no-frills driving experience. It is powered by the legendary Ford 300 inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and column-mounted shifter. The truck runs on gasoline and stays fully mechanical. Power brakes, power windows, air conditioning, or radio, everything is handled the old-fashioned way. Finished in beige with a brown interior, it features a bench seat with a saddle blanket cover that adds to its vintage charm. The truck is equipped with the famous Ford 9-inch rear axle, front disc brakes, and rear drums, with new front brake lines installed. The entire fuel system, including the fuel tank, has been replaced. This F100 offers simple, honest performance and classic Ford toughness. Number 8. 1993 Ford F250, price $4,995, rust-free truck that originally comes from Washington State. It has 218,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The drivetrain performs well, and the truck runs and drives properly, making it a dependable classic pickup. Finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, this F250 presents clean overall condition for its age. The body shows some dents and dings from normal use over the years, but it remains solid with no rust issues, which is a major plus for a truck of this era. As a four-wheel drive regular cab model, it offers both capability and classic styling, making it suitable for work, off-road use, or as a collectible vintage Ford truck.
Number 9.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, solid starting point for a build rather than a finished truck. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a gray exterior paired with a black interior. The truck runs and drives but will require additional work, and it is being sold as is, built on a square body 4x4 chassis. It has a V8 engine under the hood, currently identified as a 305, though it may be a 350. It is important to note that the rear axle ratio does not match the front, so the 4x4 system should not be engaged in its current condition. Additionally, the driver's side floor has a hole, which will need attention. Overall, this 1500 offers a strong foundation for someone looking to take on a project and finish it to their own specifications.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,800, with a clean title and 109,000 miles. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a black exterior paired with a gray interior. It has power windows, although the passenger side window is not working and has not been diagnosed yet, while the driver's seat is power adjustable. Both the heater and air conditioning are fully functional. The vehicle has received several recent updates, including new seats, a new starter, new spark plugs and wires, a fresh oil change, and a new fuel pump. It also comes with an extra set of wheels and seats. On the downside, the transmission slips occasionally and will need attention, and the rear bumper has been removed and will require replacement.